bet all African mothers are like. So I mentioned that, oh, I want to try out this coconut rice and beans recipe I saw online. Oh. So I just casually told my mommy that I'm doing this on Saturday, that hope my coconuts won't spoil. Oh. That's what mommy said. It won't spoil now. I will even add more to it so you can cook for the whole house. How did my mouth become the whole house? Anyway, I'm going to be making coconut rice and beans today for my family. So let's do it together. Welcome to my channel. My name is Esther Nkechinyere. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 mistakes I made while making coconut rice and beans for my family. The first mistake was not breaking the coconut the day before or earlier. So I started cooking by 12 p.m. If I had known, I would have started with the coconut maybe around 10 or 11, because the coconut alone took over an hour, the breaking and then the dicing, the blending and then the shifting to get the coconut milk. My second mistake was not adding enough spices when boiling my chicken. Yes, I marinated it the day before, but it was just with 1 Maggi and small salt. I should have used enough curry, enough thyme, enough garlic, ginger and even pepper. I cooked it as if I was cooking for only myself and not for a family of 7. This experience has taught me that as much as I'm wary of adding too much spices in food, I need to understand that cooking for myself is different from cooking for more people. So the amount of spices I will use will definitely be different. Anyways, I was able to redeem myself by adding more pepper and more spices, after which I dried the chicken in the oven. You people already know that I will always complain about money. Please, what is happening in this country? 1 kilo of chicken is 4,800 naira. I spent almost 10,000 naira on just 2 kilos of chicken. God help us. So anyways, back to the business of this video. Another mistake was boiling these beans too early. I don't even understand if it is the type of beans that they sold to me, but in like 15 minutes it was already getting soft and even breaking apart. Like it was so annoying. But if I had known, I would not have cooked it as early as I did. In case you are wondering why I changed the blender, I was running away from problems. I did not want the coconut to spoil mommy's favorite blender, so I decided to use this one instead. After blending the coconut, I used this mesh cloth, or is it cheesecloth, to sieve the coconut milk, and thankfully no blender was spoiled in the process. Do you use this method to parboil your rice? This is another way to parboil your rice if you don't want to cook it on fire. For almost 3 derica of rice and 1 derica of beans, you can see that this tomato and onion puree was just too small. Never again, Sha. Generally, I think my biggest mistake in cooking this rice and beans is that I blindly copied the recipes I saw online without adding my own creativity. I just followed what I saw on those YouTube videos. For example, I made this silly mistake of frying the rice because I saw it in a YouTube video. Normal me, I would have boiled the coconut milk with this fried pepper and the stock. I will add my spices and my seasoning, and after boiling, I will add my rice. But because I saw it in one video, I did it like that. So what happened was that I forgot to boil the coconut milk. So after frying the rice with the pepper, I added the cold coconut milk. It wasn't until I even added it that I realized that, wow, this coconut milk is still cold. Thank God for the grace to be able to remedy situations like this. So what I did was to increase the fire to the highest so that it will quickly boil and to prevent the rice from being soggy. After this, I added my seasoning and my spices and then left it to boil. It is important that I mention that regardless of all these mistakes, the rice and beans actually turned out well. It tasted well, and even mommy mentioned that she liked it too. But if I were to make it again, I know better now. I will add more spices, more seasoning, more pepper, more tomato, more everything actually. And my final mistake is adding the carrot and the sausage too early. If you ask me what is the best time now, I would say when you have turned off the gas, like the rice is properly cooked, then you sprinkle the carrot and then the sausage, stir it one last time, and you are done. Since I was already stressed, I decided to go all out. I made peppered chicken instead of leaving it as the normal dried chicken. And another mistake I made with this was not using enough pepper and tomatoes for the sauce. Honestly, I don't even understand myself. I don't even understand why I keep managing this much. This country is already hard. 2 more tomatoes will not make it harder than it already is. Anyways, I've scolded myself enough. Going forward, I will do better. I will cook properly like I am cooking for a large family. If you watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, regardless of these mistakes, the rice turned out well. It tasted well. So don't judge me, yeah? And like the good girl that I am, I cleaned up afterwards and my dog too came to assist me in the kitchen. If you have also made a mistake while cooking, please tell me about it in the comment section. Also, like and share this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye.